What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're gonna go over Jasmine Coin. We're down 7.6% at 2.1 cents. We're still above $1 billion market cap, which is fantastic. I'm not sweating it. I hold a large bag of this thing. I think this thing is going to start running very, very soon. $48 billion market cap, 50 or 48 billion coins in circulation out of 50 billion. I think they actually have all the coins in circulation, if I'm not mistaken. All-time high is 479 4 years ago. All-time low was 2 years ago at 002. If you're currently interested in this coin, there's 10 different exchanges that this bad boy is available on. So if you want it, you can find it somewhere, guys. Yeah, let me do that. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jasmy. All right, everyone, before we get started, I just want to let everybody know that we are going to be launching our own Solana coin here in the next week or two. So if you're interested in getting in the ground floor of a coin that we are launching it and pushing it as hard as we can, we do have a Telegram link in the description below. So if you're interested in that, join the Telegram. So with that, let's get into Jasmy. Jasmy right now, yes, we did see a larger retracement, but we still have not broken below 2 cents, guys. That 2 cent support area has just been so powerful for Jasmy, so powerful. You can see all the history that's around that 2 cents area. On top of that, man, the day chart, MACD's getting ready to flip bullish. I know the price has been going down, but for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, it's been less bearish on the MACD, which is showing signs of weakness for the bears. We also have a double bottom that came in here, one bottom, two bottom. W's in crypto are bullish, guys. W's, you can see what I'm talking about here. W in crypto, very bullish. So with that, the MACD is looking good. RSI is looking good as well. We actually put in a higher low here, which is showing signs of a reversal. Currently working at the infancy phase, and we are putting in a higher low here at the WTX, which is awesome to see. So we are showing signs at the bottom should be in on Jasmy. The only thing is we do have the stock RSI. Orange is back above blue, which is signs of possible bearishness. But I'm really not going to be basing this entire chart off of just the stock RSI when the other indicators are looking solid. Now, if we look at the fib levels from the high to the low here, we actually wicked right down to the 618 area at 19. So we actually did touch 19 here, guys, a couple days ago as our support. And right now we're holding solid at the 2. So I am actually going to draw a rectangle box right here, a green one. And this is our support channel. We can hit anywhere in here. We do not want to break below the support channel. So I wouldn't be surprised if maybe there was 1 or 2 more wicks that get thrown in there. But outside of that, I think the bottom is going to be in, and we're at least going to be working our way back up to probably 2.8 to 3 cents here soon, guys. Very soon. That's kind of what the charts are saying there in the day chart. So short-term time frame, if we get into the short-term time frame, this is showing where this 2 cent support area is going to be tested. So in the short term, say, intraday, there's a good chance that we could be touching 2 cents again. The MACD is bearish right now. It's been bearish the last 8 hours. The RSI is seeing a retracement, but we have not put in a lower low yet, so it's technically still bullish. Technically, it's still bullish, but we are seeing a pretty decent retracement there. We kind of touched red here. We're seeing a retracement on the WTX. Still have not printed a lower bottom yet there. So overall, this momentum is still bullish. And the big one, I like it on the 4-hour, the stock RSI. Stock RSI's blue is pretty much at ground floor. And what after that usually indicates a reversal. And if I draw a horizontal line where it's at right now, look at every time that we've bounced off that area at what is this 0.02, guys. So the blue is your bullish, the red's the bearish. So the blue, the bullishness should be bottoming out here, and you can kind of see every time we touch it, we have a sharp reversal. I mean, occasionally you have a little lengthy one where you stay down there a bit, but look what happens most of the times. V-shape bottom, V-shape bottom, V-shape, a little lengthy, V-shape, V-shape, V-shape. So it's more of a sudden, thrust to the upside instead of a lull down here before we start rallying. So that's kind of showing that we are very close to the overall momentum flipping from bearish to bullish. So we are right there, guys, right there on it. And then obviously the weekly chart, The weekly chart, same thing here. We're still above the 2 cents area. It actually is awesome that these indicators are reset here on the weekly guys. We aren't overbought. We're resetting on the WTX at 0. We're resetting the MACD. The RSI sitting at 50. Everything's looking good for the bottom. If we were sitting overbought right now and these indicators were off the charts, I'd be like, oh shoot, I need to get out of my Jasmine position now. But that's not what I'm seeing here, guys. I'm seeing the bottom's getting in, and we went over it in depth on the last Jasmine video. Unfortunately, I don't have the full chart on this one. I had on the other one, where I actually showed you guys a diagram of the giant cup and handle that's playing out, and how we're on the tail end of that. And that's exactly where we're at, guys. I keep repeating the same thing over and over and over and over. Just go out and touch grass. Jasmine is going to be fine. Jasmine is going to be printing money here very soon. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins that you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.